Hello. Today I am going to share with you my secrets to look good in summertime. I have 7 essentials that help me look good in summertime, that are effortless, that are not super expensive, and that instantly help you glow up. And these are just easy hacks. The first one for me, as a blonde European person who is very pale by nature, is self-tan. So I use self-tan mainly in summer because that's when I show my legs. And I don't know about you, but for me, tanning my legs, it takes forever. So I prefer self-tan. And I like this one. It's from a brand called Jungglück. It's a German brand. They're very close by to where I live, from Bavaria. And they focus on sustainability. They focus on organic ingredients, fairness, and natural ingredients. And they have the self-tan in a glass bottle, which is something I love. I don't like plastic, so this one is perfect. Also, it's reusable, so you can take this off, and if you've used this, you can put something else in it, hand cream or whatever. I use it like I use 2 layers and then I'm fine. It doesn't stink and it gives a nice natural tan, not too orange, not too dark. I go through 2 of these in one summer, and it's not just that I feel I look better, it also helps me protect myself from the sun, not because this has protection, but because if I don't use it, I'm very pale, and then I arrive on holidays and I see all these tanned people, and then I want to expose myself to the sun and I want to get a tan too. So it's much better to use this beforehand, and then you already arrive with a beautiful skin tone and you don't have this pressure to get a beautiful skin tone, and so you can rest in the shadow and protect your skin. So it says has no skin protection, but I think psychologically it does, because it helps you look good even before you have even tanned in the sun. And perfect for my legs, especially, who are very slow in getting it done, is perfect. Another item I like to use in summer is this. These are heatless curls. I'm going to show you how I use this. And I like to use this for 2 reasons in summertime. The first reason is I like to give my hair a break from all the heat that it gets in wintertime. The time, you need Dyson or whatever product you use to get your hair into shape, you get your curls. And I like to give my hair a break in summertime. It is warm, you can put these heatless curls on and then you wait 2 hours and your hair is fine. You don't even have to sleep with this. Just, in the morning, put it on, have your coffee and enjoy the morning sun, and then it's done. And my hair at least looks much better when I use this than compared to when I don't use anything and just let it air dry. If I let it air dry, it goes like this, especially if I'm on a holiday by the sea and we have this humidity. My hair goes like and it looks not nice. And then the second reason is this is very light, so it's very easy to pack. And if you carry any electrical product like a Dyson or something, it's heavy, it's complicated. Also, it's already so hot, and then you use something that makes you feel more hot. So I like this in summer. I did my hair today, and I think it's fine. So that's something I really recommend for summertime. Next item is sunscreen. So this is for the face. I like to use 50, and this one is from Chorus, a Greek brand. If you follow me, you know I love this brand. You can buy this in the pharmacy in Greece, but you can also order this online, and at least here it takes 2 days and then it's here. And I love this one because it's tinted. I discovered this, I think 2 years ago when I was in Greece. And it's for the days where you don't want to put on makeup. Also, you put makeup over this, but also if you don't want to put makeup on, you have something that makes you look a little bit, your skin more even. I'm going to show you how it looks. Can you see this? It has a beautiful color. And I love this for the summertime. In winter, I'm a little bit too pale for this. I am not sure if they have different colors. I'm gonna link it down below and check out if they have 2 colors. If they have 2 colors, I have the lighter one, obviously. So this is something I love for summertime. And then for the fashion, in summertime, we have all these dresses that are strapless, that have an open bag, or that have like a halter neck, and it's very difficult to wear bras underneath these items. For a long time, I have searched for the perfect solution, and I have 2 solutions that I use now. One is a strapless bra with glue, and I have used very cheap ones before, and I didn't feel great because they had too much glue, and I was also not sure about, you know, chemicals that might be in these products. So this one is a little bit more expensive, still very affordable, but more expensive than the cheap ones. And this is how it looks, and you just glue it on to yourself. It has different sizes, cup sizes. This is A to C. And then they have also bigger ones, and they also have different colors. I like this very much. And then if you don't like the ones with the glue, or for those days you don't need them, I like to go for these. They look like this in a package. It's the same brand, I think. Yes, it's the same brand. And these come without any glue. It's just this silicone thing. And you just put it on your breast. And if you've used these several times and they stop holding, a hack is to put body lotion on your breast first and then use these. And I like to use these for items that are see-through, or when it's not too hot. When you are sweating a lot, don't use these, they fall down and it's not pleasant. This happens to you. If you're sweating a lot, if it's really hot, then I like to use the same ones, but they come with glue, or the strapless bra. But for the days where it's not extreme hot, I like to use the ones without glue, because obviously they're more skin friendly and they feel very comfortable. So this is my hack to avoid, you know, bras that show underneath your dress and ruin your outfit. And also, I don't like to wear something where you can see everything through. So these are my solutions for summer outfits to look decent. Next items are tinted lip balms. In summertime, I'm a lot out and about, and I don't like to carry a lot of lipstick. I like to be a little bit more natural, and I like to use tinted lip balms because you can use them without a mirror. I have 2. One is again from Jungglück. This looks like this. Looks like a lipstick, but it's a tinted lip balm. It has a lot of humidity, and if you apply 2 or 3 layers, then gives you a great color. I love this one very much. And then I have one from Chorus. This is more economic in terms of price. It's also a little bit less colored, but it also has a little bit of a color. They have different shades. And I love these because you can just apply them and they give you a nice shine. They're not sticky like lip gloss. I have come off lip gloss totally because I really don't like the sticky feeling on my lips. They are not like this. So perfect for summertime. Another item I like to use in summertime are beautiful shoes. I don't know about you, but when I go to the beach and it's not a sandy beach, it's a stone beach, and I see people wearing these terrible looking plastic shoes, I'm like, ooh. You have your beautiful bikini and your beautiful bathing suit, and then you have these awful looking shoes. So I prefer my salt water sandals. You can swim in these. You can walk for hours in these. These come in every color there is: yellow, white, black, tan, gold. They also have different types. I have also these. And I like these also for hikes, like easy hikes, not very terribly difficult hikes, then you need proper shoes, but easy hikes in olive groves, anywhere. I like to wear these. I can walk hours in these. I like also to wear these when driving because they give your feet more stability than just wearing sliders. I wear these to dresses and shorts. Obviously, they are more elegant sandals in this world than these ones, but I think they are a perfect mixture between beauty and practicability, because I need shoes that are comfortable, that I can walk a long time in them. I need shoes for going into the sea when there is not a sand beach but a stony beach, and that are not made of plastic. So these are perfect. I'm not going anywhere without these. And I think they look a lot more elegant than these plastic shoes for swimming. And they are much more versatile because you can wear them wherever you go. I wear them a lot also at home because they are good for going somewhere with a bicycle. And I don't like to wear like sliders on the bicycle, then you lose them. So I love these, and I think you look way more elegant in these than in those plastic or whatever material they made of, that different rubber, rubber, also plastic and rubber shoes I've seen, and often people just throw them away after 1 or 2 uses, and these ones you can wear for years. I'm not getting paid from saltwater sandals. I just love these, and you can also get them for your kid because they have also kids sizes. Speaking of being elegant, I don't know about you, but I think it's not very elegant if you are on the beach or at the pool and then you walk to the bar or anywhere else in the hotel and you don't cover yourself. If you see people in the hotel walking through the lobby or wherever in their bikini, I'm always shocked. Don't do that. It's not done. It's not elegant. Cover yourself. Bring a pareo. Yes. Wear a pareo or something. I think a pareo is perfect. If you follow me, you already know this one is from Monday swimwear made of linen, and it's very versatile. You can also use this on the plane. If you get cold, just put it over your shoulders. It's not elegant to walk around in your bikini without covering yourself. I think no matter how beautiful your figure, this has nothing to do with body positivity or anything. It's just like you wouldn't walk in a hotel lobby in your underwear, would you? So why do this in a bikini? I think just cover yourself and use a pareo, bring a pareo on your holidays. That is my tip to look put together and look beautiful in summertime. I hope this was helpful to you. Please give it a thumbs up if you think so, and please follow me for more videos. See you very soon. Bye bye.